I beg. More than not vex, so I think say only me see that video.
No, be only you, Neru, you know me.
Let me ask you. What did you notice about that video? Just 2 things that you noticed about that video. Say it.
Girls, number 1.
No, what about the kills? Careful notice.
Wait now.
Anyway,
Wait
okay.
now.
Wait now.
Is it your question?
Sorry, go here. Now you want to now my blood. I don't want to hot. Go ahead.
Girls, number 1.
Okay.
Girls, number 2.
Thank you. Nothing. What did you notice about that video?
No, thank you for your
So
question.
just the girls.
Okay.
So to my mind, now you buy me like a good citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you.
You say that video with this man like dildo. So the one thing I noticed that though, I saw you be convinced of the work. He like girls, and I don't know why.
You have to say it. I don't know why you have to.
Confirmation.
I don't know.
I don't know. No, let me thank you for saying that, Mr. Moderator. Let me say something to you, young man of God. Please come down there.
Yes.
Answer me this question. When people know that you are Dorenle, or you are Uti, or Alex Cooper, that is when you come outside and say,
And
no,
convince people
So
I
what-
like girls. So I know mathematics
No.
for the LCM.
the LCM of that matter,
Yes.
meaning that
Perhaps I need some kind of come back that we use yesterday also proclivity.
proclivitator.
Yes. I need some kind of proclivitation.
Are you in the same compound with Uti? Or are you in the same compound with Dorenle?
I don't know.
We need to know.
If you eat chocolate all the time, can you not come out and say, I like chocolate?
No, you don't need to come
Wait,
out.
Can you not say that?
Hold on.
So what is wrong with
Hold on,
saying
let
it?
me say something. Dildo, sorry, deal. Let me say something.
Oh, shut
Now,
up,
now, can I say something?
Okay.
Yes.
You see the example where in give now?
Okay.
Which people they like chocolate?
No,
Hold on.
So you don't like chocolate,
Oh,
Abi?
my young man.
You don't like chocolate?
Young man, please, will you
question.
answer the question or
Yes
not?
or no?
Yes or no? Which people they like chocolate?
Everybody.
Which people they like chocolate?
Not be everybody.
Not be everybody, young
Hey.
man.
You
Now
don't like
girls.
chocolate? Listen, so you don't like chocolate?
We are allergic to chocolate.
I'm allergic. I like
We are allergic to chocolate, my
Abacha.
brother.
Yeah, allergic. You too, you're allergic.
Abacha.
We are allergic to chocolate.
Yeah,
Chocolate,
we.
no.
See,
Okay.
you say abacha. That is what I like. Amo.
Thank you.
Ofe ogbono numu. Ofe nsọ. Edi ka iko. Akwa nkoko.
Yes.
Ekwa nkoko. Not chocolate.
Brother.
See, they don't come wear tight clothes like Easy Beat. Anyway, una welcome back to the night show for today. That video we una see, now our guests. Sorry, guests.
Yeah, in our case.
One, if not two, na guests.
Yes.
No,
Guests.
one is guest, 2 guests. You know,
Sit down those cases.
3
So 3
guests.
Guesses.
Then 4 also.
Guess-
No, from 3 and 4 na the same thing.
Na the same thing,
Guests.
guesses.
Guests.
No,
Then
no,
if
no,
the
is
2 is
guests.
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 No,
Guests.
no, no,
Guesses.
tastes. Now, so tastes.
Not the tastes, no, I think
Now,
guesses.
tastes, you
Guesses
talk.
and guesses. It's like guesses.
And
Two.
guesses.
Guesses.
Oh, Neru,
3
you
and
say-
above.
This guy goes school. I'm beginning to change my mind where you are.
No, no, I don't.
Maybe you are not
You
in the
are
same
serious.
compound with Derele.
No, I don't do
Maybe. Anyway, una welcome back to the night show. In case you want to follow us talk, our phone number is there on top of TV. Follow us for Twitter, make it follow us talk. Follow us for Facebook, make it follow us talk. And then this guy where they here, in name na Dildo. Sorry.
Hey.
Now, dildo now.
Hey.
Deal.
No.
Deal.
And you want your medium my friend wedding on dildo, so he shortened the form to
Yeah.
DIL.
Now you give me the name,
And
Abi?
which people they use that thing where you call?
I'm coming to do.
Nice one, nice one, nice one.
You see what we are talking about
one.
here?
Listen.
Are you with
Listen.
me?
Yeah.
Observers,
There is
international
no doubt
observers.
in the matter.
Okay.
So
Oh,
we should
yeah,
not
there's no
even
doubt.
talk it.
There's no
There's no
doubt.
doubt in the matter that I like girls. Like the song said, there's no doubt in the matter.
No, it's not quarrel,
there's
no, I
need-
don't
there's no
know.
need
My
to even-
brother.
There's no need to
Now
even
when
elaborate.
you dey try to convince people of
I
the
don't
truth,
need-
now you go dey shout.
you.
When you know the truth, you gotta keep quiet.
You could just, yes, you could just
Because person like Easy Beat now, he know the talk.
You know they talk.
Because you know what they do.
If you go just
Delicious. Genevieve.
Mimi.
Mimi. Hafsat. He has
Same
cancelled everybody.
So they have that quarrel with
Ah,
them
it's
just
not
because
This guy.
Hey,
international
Easy.
guy.
You they do her like this. You are dead.
He's dead.
You are dead.
Anyway, Deal 90% with us today. Deal now, artist.
And Kenyan, you don't deal.
I don't know. Wait, now the name when your mama and papa give you be that.
Should I tell you the story?
Tell me
me
the
tell
story.
you.
How you get story?
Dil means my heart
Yeah.
in India, in Hindi. Do you understand?
Oh, you
That's
speak
what
it.
I mean.
Oh,
So
oh,
my-
hold on.
No.
Let
me finish.
Before you finish.
You want to fire that one first?
Hold on. Hi, Choriki, Chareke, Hante.
Hey,
I cannot speak Hindi.
This guy
Now
is
my
not
mama will give me. That don't be me. That don't need to be able to speak Hindi now. So
this
my
one, your
mama
mama
will
come
give
to
me the
India.
your
name.
mama be India.
No, listen. You know how it is. And when people
Chele-
travel,
Chele go
they
to-
want to remember what happened in that country. So they
Okay.
say,
So, love,
because
what
we
happened?
conceived you in India, I love that country.
Then
My
why
child
born
will
for
be
India?
named my heart.
Then
I
why-
wasn't born in India.
What you carry them go wipe for India?
What you can man go wipe for
Of
India?
all places.
Where you won't go wife? You don't feel go wife anyway.
Namaste.
But why they can't go wipe for India?
Namaste.
Is there a designated place and time to wipe?
My brother, then they suspect you more.
Nah, who been finna India? Yeah, it is like the
There's nothing I can say
conception.
that you're not far away back, have you?
Hey! So then go wipe for India. Your mom can say, no, this place is my heart.
So I'm calling a dildo.
Deal.
Short form for deal.
They can't give you deal. So deal for India means my heart.
Means my
Now
heart.
make you answer that name.
Yes.
But make I ask you one
But I
question.
still get my Nigerian name now.
What's be your Niger name?
Chike.
Chuku dildo.
Mwafibo! Chuku dildo!
Hey, I don't die for this place. I don't die. I don't die. Chikezie, Dil,
Do.
Anthony, Uche, Adufo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Make it any other.
AKA
So the other name, na Tanzania name. So na Niger, Tanzania,
I don't give you my
India.
full Kote, my full history.
Tell me Koten.
Iba, Abante botanical.
Koten na fish, so.
No.
Shower
Kote is
Koten.
your full details now.
No, you are full detail. Okay, so I don't Chuku, Chuku, Edildo.
Chuku dildo. Then
Uche, Amato, Amos.
Easy, tell me.
that
don't
vid-
finish me,
Wait,
no.
that video we just watch now. I noticed something. Only 2-3 guys I see. And the
The
girls
others
reach
now.
120.
Four guys.
I see
So,
DJ Big
no,
N.
no, 122.
120, you counted it.
girls, yes.
122 girls.
Yes.
One day bed, now the aka.
You say,
Her name
come
be
to
like
me.
this.
No, I'm not India
She
something.
dey cut eye. Come to me.
India, I don't India influence.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
evening from Lokoja. How is you? Blessing.
Ah,
Blah,
bless you.
blah.
Why you no near your telephone?
Blessing. You tip phone?
You see, they say deal. That your video, there is chocolate. You know what I mean? That one? Deal. That your video, there is what? Chocolate. I don't.
Oh, you see And then it say maybe she doesn't. Okay, that one, another one. Now, deal. Make we ask you. That video we watch now when they say girls full everywhere. I beg no vex. We wanna see those girls. Easy be done. They disturb me since when that video they play.
You know how it is now. When videos are done, people just they call their friends. Director go call. People go call.
So you
know,
don't
it's not
call
me
your
now.
friend too?
No.
So you dey tell me say none of that those girls be your friends.
Hold on. We are going to get him now. We are going to get him now. Now, answer me this question now. Inside all those girls waiting for that video, anyone know escort you go house?
Anyone or two?
No, Joe, hold on.
Okay.
Anyone know escort you go house?
They escort me go house, but they don't escort me inside the house. They're different.
Now, man, follow you inside house.
No.
You see what I'm talking about now? Are you with me?
Oh my God,
We know you like the bow of my
you
hand.
know me like that.
Kelechi from Imo, good evening. Nna, mama. Nna, how is you?
You want to talk to Dildo?
You want to talk to Dildo? Sorry, Deal.
Deal. I don't short form.
Nna, mo keki me.
Oh, very well.
Iwe se ke kpo anye taa.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
This guy well.
Good evening, oh.
Hi, boss.
Fine, oh, fine. What are you today, do?
You know, see our topic, we sit down by in front of us.
See our topic here now, dude. Sorry, Deal.
Now our topic be this.
Now our topic be this.
You know
You know, you like him?
What is the topic?
now him sit down here in front of
See,
us
I'm not do this now.
Yeah, Kelechi himself for that quantum.
Kelechi Chuku Dildo. Sorry, Chuku Deal.
For short.
For short.
Now
Kelechi,
our
bye-bye.
topic be this.
Anyway,
Well, I feel
make we ask you, Deal.
Yes.
Tell us. Okay, Blessing from Plateau. Good evening. Blessing,
Yeah,
please call us
Blessing.
back.
Blessing, go and load your phone.
She thief person phone one call.
That time, now you want
Because
call
if you
that
thief
time.
person phone, you will go one corner. Hello.
They say speak louder.
Speak like. Then one person, you see the second one now. When she want talk, So the mama maybe the mama phone one come waka pass. Now she
cut
go
am.
end the call.
Not true.
You've been there.
It's very true. I don't. This Chukudi. I am this somebody.
This guy.
That would trust them.
Don't worry.
We know you.
Now you're a man around town. You're a man around town.
You know me.
Damn me.
Dee, tell us about that video. What will be the title of the song? And give us the concept of the video. Because we know some women, you like women, and make you do that video. But
We know they ask you again. We know, but we just, you know, as we talk and say,
you know,
We use
kind of
the
how she is, you know. I don't know if you are with me. Are you with him?
I'm not with you.
I'm going to continue.
No, Pretty Girls. I did it with Yaya. So it's
I'm a pretty.
Pretty.
it was
You know,
just a
if you cup tea, you know, say people in the Yankee, their tea na D.
So pretty.
So, for example, now,
so Yankee are pretty.
water na water.
Okay. So
Wonder.
my name now na Katim na Kadim.
Kadim.
Yeah.
From Lagos, good evening. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, my brother, how is you?
I get it yawn.
Hello, Nido. Good evening.
Go up a needle. You are calling me needle. Give you a thread.
I
Good
don't
evening,
know.
John. How is you?
Fine, no. How you doing?
I dey fine, no.
The artist where they there, what is his name?
In name na deal.
Do.
D.
Yes.
From Nigeria.
Yes, sir. My brother.
You know here in full name?
In full name na deal.
Dildo Amos and Autumn.
In name na deal.
D.
You want ask him any question?
I want to ask a question.
I beg
Ask
ask him.
her
They
now.
hear you.
Where you learning music?
Hey, where you learn am?
Okay.
Different places. I grew up in UK. I moved back. I learned my music in UK when I was in UK.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Okay, just off
Hey,
the
John.
telephone, listen to Ram.
John, make we tell you. Okay, now the only question we want ask him be that.
Okay.
Hey. My brother, junk file. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you very much, John.
So you learn your music with.
Blessing, good evening.
UK.
You don't go move
Most
your
of
phone.
them.
Blessing, how is you?
Fine, no, Nido. Good
And you
evening.
were from
Good.
Lokoja.
Now from Lokoja you dey call. How Lokoja today?
Lokoja Day, fine.
Oh yeah, now talk to us. We dey hear you. You want to talk to
Now,
Dio?
still, I want to talk to.
Oh yeah, he dey hear you.
Oh, Jill, good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you. This your music. It's for good, though, but you don't allow my children watch them. You don't say my children know they miss
I understand.
night show. But this your music now. You want make I send them go bed.
Oh,
No, you for your send a message.
I
Now
understand.
we get children.
oh.
No, but I have other ones now.
No,
Yes,
worry, Madam
yeah, children can watch.
Madam Blessing, he get the ones where children dey.
Where children can watch, are the ones
Barney dey inside. SpongeBob dey inside. All of them.
All of them. I go fit tell it to me say.
Teletubby. Thank you,
I don't
Blessing.
like that one.
Thank you. we go plan another video very soon, but make we follow and talk
No, we
small.
need to talk to them small. At least all the kind questions we wanna get to ask me,
Yeah,
and they don't go
easy
help
to
me
ask.
to ask those questions. No.
We get plenty questions.
Yeah.
You are dead.
Yeah, you are under fire.
You are fragile today.
Yes.
No problem, I'm ready.
Now, make we ask you,
Ask.
at which point in time in your life you decide, say, okay, I want to go into music
Professionally.
professionally?
No, first of all, you go school.
Okay, you go school?
Yeah.
You got aqua?
Yes, I did.
You can speak Igbo, Abi?
Ibibo.
You dey speak Igbo?
No.
Eh,
I don't understand small.
Oh,
Eh,
yeah,
Honan.
me.
I know.
Oh, I do a very lost soul. You have to come back to the fold. Oh. We have to trace you to your hometown
dead.
and deliver you there.
dead.
You can stay there 3 months.
You can use broom. Use can and go
3
see.
months.
Carry the river. Use sand, pour am.
I'm
Say
learning,
use broom.
I'm learning.
Piam, piam, piam.
I do
No, I'm learning,
KK
I'm
in the
learning.
east. Where are you from in the
Ibuzo Delta.
Ibuzo Delta.
Okay.
Okay, so since you say you understand Igbo, na kanju kwa ge find.
Hey.
Ke ba mo ge?
Uh-huh.
Ke ba mo ge?
Exactly.
I don't know. On the table.
Am mo ge?
I'm also.
I ask am say where dem born am. Is it on top table? Hey! My brother, you need Jesus. You need Jesus. From Delta, good evening.
Oh my.
Hello.
I'm dead.
Hello.
Elvis.
Elvin, so go tell you to raise your voice now.
You are doing sexy voice for dildo. Nobody in there hear you. Did he do sexy voice?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, we dey hear you.
Nido Akache, how una dey?
We dey
How una dey?
We
We
dey
did.
fine.
I want to ask this deal, so I not to understand though. She get a chocolate factory.
I don't know, my brother. I don't know.
My brother ask him when they hear you.
Ask
Deal,
him
what
directly.
answer?
Chocolate factory.
Chocolate factory.
No, I don't need chocolate factory now. I don't need chocolate factory now.
You know,
How come you imagine your name like this? It seems maybe they deal with those chocolates also. I bet this is amazing, my guy.
thank you, Elvis. Thank you very much. Now, you said that for table them born you. Make we forget.
Everybody in a table, them born.
Sonia from Benin. Good evening.
Yeah.
Hello.
Antonia.
Oh, Sonia.
Yeah.
Sonia.
Hello.
Hey, Sonia. Good evening.
So.
Good evening, Oganeju.
My sister.
Hello,
good
Sonia.
evening.
Daddy, how far?
How you doing now?
Just the two of us.
Easy beats. How you doing?
Sophia, I did, Jerry.
Deal. Sorry, deal. They here.
That musician want to talk to you.
He dey hear
How you
you.
doing?
Hear you.
I said that music, now abuse, you abuse women too much, oh.
So you don't like them?
You don't like Kamabi?
No.
But you like the music.
But
Sorry,
you like the
darling.
music. But you like
What about
the
the
music.
music?
Then you like the music.
What about the backing music?
Sonia,
you like that
Sonia, you know what's going to happen? Make we show you the one where get SpongeBob. We'll go show you another video now. Then I beg, so that you understand
decide.
that this guy is a man of God.
And the one here, I come from different angles.
Different angle. That one now for girls. This one now where they come now from men. They people.
And
Make we watch.